Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about the pyramid with a square base. As we have discussed for a triangular base, it is difficult to understand, but in this case it is quite easy and you will be able to visualize. If it is a square with A, B, C, D and all the sides are equal, this is something like this. From the center point of the square, which is O, if we go for a specific height, and let's say this height from this center to this point is known as E. So this is a figure where OE is known as the height of the pyramid, where the length of AB, BC, CD and DA all are equal. And suppose we take the height as H and the side as A. Now, if in case we know that this is the height and this is the side, if we draw a line like this is known as slant height. And this slant height is touching the vertex of the lower figure, so this is known as slant height at the vertex. In this, it is defined as AE or ED or EC or EB. So we are saying that all the length AE, ED, EB and EC all are equal and are known as slant height, which is denoted by L, and LB means slant height at the vertex. Slant height at the vertex. Same way, if in case instead of slant height at vertex, if we look at this, then this value is known as slant height at the center of the length of square. Or in this case, if in case we talk this point as H. So from E to the center H, when we draw a line, this is known as slant height at the center, and this is denoted by LC. In a figure, if in case we attach all the centers to the highest point E, then the points EH, let's say this is F, this is G and this is L, then EH, EF, EG and EL, again all the terms, all the length are equal. In this figure, it's not looking like that they are equal, but if in case we talk about a figure practically, then this length and the length at this center, the length at this center and the length at this center are all equal. So this is known as LC, slant height at the center of the length at the base. Now the question is, what is the value of LB and what is the value of LC in these two figures? When I am talking about LB, that means the slant height at the vertex. We know this is the height and this is the half of the diagonal. When we talk about half of the diagonal of any square, that is actually A, the side upon root 2. This is the half of the diagonal of any square. So the square of this value plus the square of height, if we put the under root of this value, that comes out to the slant height at the vertex. Now, if we have to find out the slant height at the center, then this length is half the side. Or if the length of the side is A, then this half of length of side is A upon 2. Then we can say LC is equals to under root of H square plus A upon 2 whole square. So these are the two values for LB and LC. If in case we keep on increasing the number of sides, then LC and the length of LC and the length of LB keep on coming closer to each other. In the case of cone, the value of LC and the value of LB are both equal because the side is of a negligible length and the vertex and the length to the center are both equal in the case of cone. Here as we discussed in the last video, that the volume of any pyramid is 1 upon 3, the area of the base multiplied by height. So here in this case, this is equals to 1 upon 3. The area of the base will be a square, as the side is a, so a multiplied by a will become a square into h, that is the height of this pyramid. In the same context, we will discuss about the cone, that how to find out the area and the volume of the cone. Thank you.